right? We are going to be performing or showing everybody, presenting whatever work product we have created. Why we have created it? Because there are things that we learn in the class of Leaders for Change, and we also want other people to know about it. Do we want other people to also know about what we are also learning in the class? Because what do you think?
We are presenting our pink and blue project.
करेक्ट एंड वी आर क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस विद इट ओके वी आर क्रिएटिंग अवेयरनेस हम लोगों को भी बता रहे हैं कि हम क्या सीख रहे हैं और ये क्यों इम्पोर्टेंट है ओके सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम वी आर ऑलरेडी 15 minutes late in the call so we will start okay
I want to say some things.
say
I want to do a quick revision of all the things that we have done on gender stereotype. We started with a survey, an interview that we took for our parents or family members. We asked them questions like who earned in the family, who took care of small children, who was cooking in the family. We came with the results of that interview, and then we met people who were doing opposite things. For example, Aniket Bhaiya, who was a chef, who was a boy, was cooking food and very happily doing it. Shirin Didi, who is a basketball player, she's the captain of Indian national team for basketball. And despite being a girl, she had short hair and she was playing basketball. She wore clothes like boys. Then we also met Megha Parmar, who climbed the Mount Everest despite being the girl. She was the first girl from Madhya Pradesh to climb the Mount Everest. Then we met these people, we asked them questions. Then we also saw a virtual drama. Some Bhaiya Didis came and they performed a drama for us where they talked about gender stereotype again. Then we also did a couple of worksheets on gender stereotype. We understood what gender stereotype is. Preeti, can you tell me what exactly is gender stereotype?
It's like boys or girls are when both come.
Can you give me an example of a gender stereotype? Pawan, please be on mute, one speaker at a time.
When they birth, when they come on earth.
No, that what you're saying is that sex. You're telling me the difference between sex and gender. Anyone who wants to quickly give an example of gender stereotype? Yes, Harsh.
This gender stereotype means that everyone say that girls should not do this, boys should do this, and these things called stereotype.
Perfect. Just like Harsh said, when people say that girls should play with dolls, boys should be fit, boys should be strong, boys should not cry, girls should wear pink, these are stereotypes. These are not true. These are what people say. And yeah, I saw Afreen raise hand as well. Quickly share.
Gender stereotype that we are make these rules only boys do this, girls do this. Example, boys wear blue, her favorite color was blue, but it is not important. They can also like pink and girls can also like blue.
Correct. So and these gender stereotypes mostly are not true, right? These are what people say because it's their opinion. It's okay to have that opinion, but we do not have the same opinion. And to raise awareness, to tell this to other people, we are here today. Whatever you will be presenting, we will take pictures and put it on our Instagram and YouTube. That's why I'm recording this call today, so that we can put this on YouTube so that other people can also see. Whatever you will present, we'll take a video or pictures and put it on Instagram so that other people can also see, and we can raise awareness on gender stereotype. With that, we will start only when everyone switches on their video.
Hi, Didi.
Hello, Tamanna. You're a little late, so be on mute for now. Waiting for Ansh, Puneet, Preeti to switch on their video. Waiting for Ansh and Preeti. Waiting for Tamanna to switch on her video. We'll wait for 15 more seconds. Thank you, Tamanna. Ansh, waiting for Preeti. Afreen. Thank you, Afreen. Waiting for Preeti. Preeti 10. Preeti 9. Thank you, Preeti. We'll start. Go ahead, Palak Didi.
all right so we are going to be performing in the order of the teams. So I will call the name of the team and then we will perform. We will just listen to what the team has to share, what they are presenting. And after that, we will also share our feelings about whatever we are thinking about their performance. Okay. So team number 1, are you ready? Ayush, Vikas, Apsari, and Vaishnavi. Maitli, you're late in the class. Hi, but please wait now. Please be on mute. Ayush, Vikas, Apsari, and Vaishnavi. Hello.
Okay, Ayush, Vikas, Apsari, Vaishnavi, you can start presenting whatever you have prepared for. Remember, the minimum time limit is 2 minutes. So go ahead. All the best.
Didi, I'll come 2 minutes, okay?
No, Baba, it's your time to present. You can't go anywhere.
ऐसा कैसा आता है रे उसका कलर
Start.
Yes, Ayush, Vikas, Apsari, whenever you're ready. Vikas is saying, Ayush, go ahead.
Ayush,
Go ahead, Baba. Why are you waiting? Why are you feeling shy?
Didi,
Yes.
I'll make one story of this.
Okay, share.
Okay. I am a narrator of this story.
Okay.
Long ago, there lived a mother and her son. The son's name was Jack. One day, the mother said to Jack, I am Jack. Apsari, can you say after that?
नंबर
Then I go. Later I go. Now I think. We cannot afford to buy even a loaf of a boat. We have to sell our cow. Go ahead, Sari and Vaishnavi. I will choose the topic. Say टॉपिक अपना बोलना है क्या यू से देन
Ayush, I think Apsari has some confusion. Can you please solve that?
what didi
Apsari, what is your doubt?
दीदी आई एम से आयुष टॉपिक से क्या
Ayush has already introduced the topic that you all are going to tell a story. Ayush has started it, then Vikas continued. Now it's your turn.
what is topic से again what is topic से आयुष again I not listen
Okay, Ayush, Vikas, and Apsari start from the beginning.
okay long ago there lived a mother and her son the son name was Jack one day the mother said to Jack the mother said, we cannot afford to buy even a loaf of a boat. We have to sell a cow.
इन लोग कैसे बोल देते हैं तो उन लोग को बोले
Then Jack said, "Okay, mother, I will take the cow to the market and sell her." On the way, the twin Jack comes across a man walking along the road. "Hello there, boy. Are you taking to your car to sell?" "Yes, sir. Are you interested in buying her?" "Yes. However, I only have these magic beans." Magic beans? Well, okay. Jack and the man traded. Jack was so excited he ran all the way home. "Mother, look what I got for our cow, magic beans." Jack's mother became angry with Jack. Mother, sorry. How could you be so foolish? There are no such things as magic beans. Mother took the magic beans from Jack and threw them out of window in the garden. Jack and his mother did not have anything for it in dinner, so they finished toast and went to the bed. The day morning, Jack and his mother had a big surprise. During the night, the beans had sprouted. They had grown into a thick bean so tall that it was in the cloud. Thank you.
दीदी
Thank you for presenting Ayush, Vikas, Apsari, Vaishnavi. Can you also share how was it related to gender stereotype or boys and girls being treated equally or anything? Munazza, one speaker at a time. Keep yourself on mute. Whenever it's your turn to share, we will share.
2 minutes.
Ayush, Vikas, Apsari and Vaishnavi, if you can share how is it related to gender stereotype? What did you think when you were preparing for the story?
When mother said foolish to son, so foolish, why did she say, so how is it related?
Did that girls also can be?
Can you repeat?
Everyone can be foolish, not only that boy.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Yes, Ayush.
Yeah, Didi. Everyone can become foolish, not even boy.
Not just boy. Okay. Apsari, Vaishnavi, do you have anything else to share? We did not hear you speak a lot during the presentation. Do you have anything else or do you want to add anything?
No, Didi. Any not I add.
What did you do in this ग्रुप एक्टिविटी। अप्सरी वैष्णवी, आपका क्या पार्ट था, आपने क्या काम किया इसके लिए?
I think I read the story.
Which story have you written, Baba?
Smallly I write.
Say,
Whether
say na.
I will try Vaishnavi say. No.
We will give you 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, please share your story, okay? Are you ready?
Story.
Palak, I'll come in 10 minutes, huh?
Yeah. Yes, Ayush, say.
Didi, I also have one story of gender types.
Later. Now your team turn is over. We will move to team 2. Okay. Till then, Apsari and Vaishnavi, if you want to get ready with your story, please be ready. Okay. Team 2 is Raj, Sujal, Preeti and Suhani. I'm putting you on spotlight. Give me 1 minute. Please be ready with whatever you have prepared. Raj, Suhani, Preeti. Raj, can you raise your hand? Okay, I found. Suhani, please, can you come on video? Otherwise, I can't spotlight you for everybody. Suhani, please come on video.
Didi, I don't hear you.
Puneet, there can be some internet problems. I cannot help that. Okay, Suhani, I also put you on spotlight. Okay. Raj, Suhani, and Preeti, please switch your videos on. And you have 2 minutes to start presenting whatever you have created. Start.
Can I start with me?
Yes, of course.
Topic: boys and girls are equal because they all are made of God. They are not different by each other, and also they can wear that they like, they can eat that they like, they can use that language that they like. I have said essay.
Okay.
So you can choose a Raj or Suhani.
Raj and Suhani, go ahead, please. One of you.
Did I say?
Go ahead, please. We are waiting.
Boy can cry when her parents say to anything.
Okay. Next person, Suhani, say.
My topic is boy can. Yes, boy can cry when he felt. Boy can cry when his sister leave them after.
Suhani, say na after. Okay. Okay, we will not continue if it is happening like this. Sorry. I don't have to say again and again that say. Preeti did her part. Then you should have decided in your team that who is going to perform next, who is going to say next. I cannot hear anybody saying, and I have to ask again and again. Suhani say, Raj say. No, this is not how we are going to do. And your videos are also off. Tamanna's video is off. Raj, Preeti, Suhani, everybody's videos is off. Vikas, Ayush, Yasmin, Maithili.
What you say? I don't hear.
Suhani, Raj, and Preeti, are you done performing? Can you please say again what you all have said in a proper line together? Once Preeti is done, Raj, immediately you say. Once Raj is done, immediately Suhani will say.
Yeah, say.
Say it again. Preeti, start all over again.
My topic is boy and girl are equal because they all are made of God. They are not different by each other, and also they can wear that they like, they can eat that they like, they can use that language that they like. I'm done.
Did I say when boy cry when her parents tell something that he know any bad thing.
Next person.
Raj, can you read out what have you written? आपने जो लिखा है उसको पढ़ो. Raj, if you're saying something, you're on mute, huh, Baba?
When boy can cry when her something is broken.
Raj, have you written anything anywhere? क्या आपने कहीं पे कुछ लिखा है?
Yes.
Can you show that?
They give me to me.
Sure. Till then,
Where my book I am.
sure. Till then, Suhani, share.
Boy can cry when he sees her father in trouble. Boy can cry when he hurt. Boy can cry when they see her mother in pain.
Very beautiful.
Are we waiting for Raj?
Yes. Suhani and Preeti, I would suggest you one thing. Make a video. Okay, separately, Preeti, you make a video of whatever you shared, and Suhani, you make a video of whatever you shared, so that we can spread this video with others. Okay, we can put it on our WhatsApp status, we can share it on Instagram, Facebook. All right.
Okay.
Because I really loved what both of you shared.
Yes. And very confidently.
Yes.
I will send you this after this call.
Okay.
Yes.
Suhani, you too. Okay. I think we can move to the next team. Whenever Raj comes back, he can share again.
Yes.
Well done, team 2.
Yes, team 2. Thank you so much, team 2. It was very nice and very brilliant performance. Next is Yasmin. Yasmin from team 3. Yasmin, please go ahead.
My topic is boy can cry. The boy can cry when her car will broke, and boy can cry anything. Also, the girls also cry. That is not, both are will cry. That is okay. And boy can cry when her dad shout her.
Didi, I send check.
Raj, please wait. Yasmin is sharing. Yasmin, are you done sharing, Baba? Thank you so much, Yasmin. I'd suggest the same to you. Please make a video of whatever you shared with Palak Didi and share it on 5-way group. Okay, after this call, if you can do it during this call also, it will be great. Thank you, Yasmin. Palak, Misbah has to go to Arbi. Can we take her now?
Okay.
She's doing it on her own only.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Misbah.
Didi, my topic is boy and girl can wearing whatever they want. Boy also like play pink and girls also like blue. But some boys like play with gun. Some girl like to play with car. Some girl like to wearing pants. But people tell girls not wearing these types of clothes. Some boys like play kho-kho. People said boy not play kho-kho because of girls playing this game. Some girls likes play cricket and football, and people tell why are you play this game? This game play only boys, not girls. Some boys cry. Her parents said, "Oh, you are girl, you are boy is not crying and also brave." I said also people is all people is equal, but people tell you are boy, do not take this game play, do not do this.
Wow, Misbah, that was so amazing and strong. I like how you have included everything that you see around. Very nice. Ayush, you want to say something to Misbah?
No, Didi, I want to say that I have one gender types of.
Ayush, we will wait. We will respect
Yes.
Misbah's performance and we
I
will share.
can
We will have one
second
speaker at
last.
a time. Misbah, really well done. I really like how confidently you have written whatever you felt and how confidently you shared as well. Can I also request you to please send a video of whatever you have written? Please send a video so that we can share it with more people, because I am sure the way you shared, it will also make other people understand what you wanted to share. So, okay, I know you have to go to Urbi now, so you can go, but whenever you come back, please send a video. Will you do that?
Okay, Didi, bye.
Bye, Baba.
Bye. Very good, Misbah. Good job. Next team is Tamanna, Sanobar, Harsh, Sunny, and Sahib.
Teacher, we have made posters and I want to start with Sahil. So Sahil, start now.
Sahil is not here in the call. He was having some troubles. Till then, I want everybody from your team to come on video at least so that we can spotlight.
Harsh has video problems, so he has sent his poster with me. Okay, so okay, he has come.
Teacher, I am here.
Okay.
So, Sunny, you can say.
This one?
Okay.
Okay, I'll stop sharing.
Sunny, you can say.
I made a poster.
Sunny.
Yes, I'm adding him. Also explain, Sunny, whatever you have created so that we all know.
Sunny, if you want us to show it on screen, you can send a picture to Palak Didi or Freya Didi as well. But we can see if you want to show it.
Tamanna, please switch your video on so that we can add you to the spotlight.
Palak Didi.
Raising a silent hand first of all. Say Apsari.
Didi, my girl's story.
Okay. Later, when all the teams are done, then we will come back to you.
Okay, I've got this Sunny's picture. Give me 1 minute, I'll show.
Okay.
Beautiful. Wait. Yes, Sunny, I'll show it on screen and then you can explain.
Okay, my topic is gender stereotype. For boys, it's not necessary that boys should wear only blue. They can also wear pink and use pink things. I believe color cannot differentiate between a gender is inclination, and we have to change the way we think. It's explained that boys can also wear pink and they can use pink things too.
It's really...
For girls,
Go ahead, sorry.
It's not necessary that girls should wear pink. They can also wear blue, and I have seen many girls whose favorite color is blue. We should stop this gender division of girls and boys by using colors and other things. It's telling that girls can also wear, their favorite colors can also be blue. I'm done.
Sunny, it's beautiful. And I
Wow.
really love your poster of using pink for boys and blue for girls instead of doing it the other way. Really good job. I also liked how you explained. Can I also request you to hold this poster and share whatever you want to share and make a video of it and send it to us so that we can share it with more people, because I am sure the way you have shared is very impactful and will help others also to understand. Can you do that?
Yeah, okay. Yes. After
Wonderful.
class. Yes, Didi.
Okay, next person.
Sonoba, you can.
Sanobar, have you created a poster, Baba?
Didi, no.
Okay. Tamanna, have you created a poster?
No.
Okay. Harsh, I think you will only have to go ahead. Your team members have not created their posters.
I have made a
Harsh, you're on mute if you're saying anything.
teacher. One boy was crying, and one grandmother.
Harsh Baba, I have shared your picture on the on Zoom. You can maybe annotate and explain to us so that we can understand.
Okay, teacher. So one boy was crying, and her grandmother come and said that, why are you crying? Why are you crying? You are a boy. Then the boy said that, what happened that I am boy and crying? Then her grandmother said that, boy should not cry. This is only your opinion and stereotype. Then grandmother said that, 1 minute, teacher. Then grandmother said that, okay, I will see you. Then the boy was giving us a understanding that, friends, please. Then he is giving us an understanding that, friends, please be safe from this stereotype.
Wow. This is so amazing. This is so impactful also, Harsh. Very nice. Again, same thing like what Freya Didi shared with Sunny. Hold that poster, explain whatever you have done, and make a video and send it to us after this call.
Also so creative, Harsh. It's very creative that you chose to make it like a comic strip. You decided to make like a story out of it, but in a fun way so that it doesn't become boring for the others instead of just writing or just making pictures. Really well done.
Yeah.
Anybody
I was
want
also
to share anything about... sorry, Palak.
I was also seeing Mantasha giving reactions while Sunny and Harsh were performing. Mantasha, you want to share something to both of your friends?
Didi, I like this example for understanding other people that who are thinking like that girls and boys are equal, not. So I like this. I like Sunny poster also and Harsh also.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Harsh and Sunny. I wish Tamanna and Sanobar had also participated and contributed to this team. But really well done, both of you. Good job. Please send me videos or Palak Didi videos or send it on the group. But please do it by today, 6 o'clock, so that we can post it on our Instagram account, Leaders for Change, by 7 o'clock.
Okay, next team is Afreen, Rehan, Uzra, Shivshesh. I can see Uzra, yes. Rehan, I cannot add on the spotlight. Rehan is also not here.
Yeah. Maybe we can start with Afreen and Uzra only.
Yes.
Yes, I want to share.
Go ahead.
Yes, Didi. My topic is why should girls only play with doll? Boy can also play with doll. It is false. Here everyone think it is false. We make these rules. Boy can play with dolls. Boy can play with teddy bear doll and many. On dolls, it's written can only girls play with me. No, anyone play with anything. Please don't stop anyone who play with dolls. You see anyone stop, say boy can also play. Tell everyone about it. Some boys also feel like I want to play, but they can't play because of us. So please don't do like this. Thank you. My topic is boys can cry. Yes, of course, even boys are human beings. They too have hurt with God emotions of that make cry if get hurt by others that too have feeling just like girls. So according to me, boys can cry. Me also.
Very, very, very strong and beautifully put. Thank you so much, Afreen and Uzra. Very proud of you. Anybody from the class who want to share anything about how they're feeling of what Afreen and Uzra shared? I saw Apsari giving reaction in the middle. Apsari, you want to say something?
What did you say something?
I am asking you, do you want to say something to Afreen and Uzra? You were giving reactions.
No, Didi, anything not.
Achha, theek hai.
I want to say that I'm very proud how prepared both the girls were. I saw them write. I saw that they had practiced, and I also saw very honest writing. They didn't write just because they wanted to, but they wrote whatever came to their mind. So I'm very proud of Afreen and Nuzra. Please send us a video. Afreen, Nuzra, why are you hiding your faces with your fingers? Yeah. Uh, uh, Please send us a video. Both Afreen, Uzra, send before 6 p.m. Whatever you shared just now, same thing. Just record yourself and send it on the group or send it personally to Freya Didi and Palak Didi, because the way you shared was so convincing that we want to share it with other people also, so that they also get to know that what they're doing is wrong. And girls and boys both can play with dolls. Girls and boys both can cry. It is emotion, so it's absolutely okay to cry or play with dolls. So thank you and well done, both of you. Good job.
Okay, next team. Jay and Zubair, have you prepared anything, Ba? Jay and Zubair?
Yes, Didi, I some.
Go ahead.
Once a day, Anjali make a new house, and his brother Shivaji say we do new color to house. Anjali we say to mother and father. Shivaji, we do blue color to house. Anjali, no, we do pink color to house. Father, we do both color to new house. Father say we do blue color to hall and pink color to bedroom. Mom and kitchen. The Shivaji is new have one idea. We do on hall and bedroom. The color is finished. Then we take new color. Then we take new color to color the kitchen.
That is so nice. That is just very nice.
I also like the fact that Jai used
analogy.
colors for actually not just saying that boys can wear pink or girls can wear pink, but actually using it for rooms, which is so true because when a new baby is born and when they get to know कि अगर लड़का होने वाला है तो bedroom को blue कर देते हैं, लड़की होने वाली है तो pink कर देते हैं, but that makes no sense. That whatever people in the house want the colors to be, they can just use that. So beautiful, Jay. Very good. Can I also request you to make a video of your story while reading it and send it to us so that we can post?
Okay, thank you.
Palak, did I cut you off? You were saying something?
No. Okay. Next is the most excited team of this particular project. Zoya, Mantasha, and Munazza. Woohoo! Start.
Munazza, I'm so happy to see you. I'm so happy that you're excited and coming to class on your own.
Start, Zoya and Munazza. Hi everyone. Today we are going to perform at Munazza. Hi everyone.
Wait. गलती से आई अच्छा मुनज्जा मंतशा एंड जोया कैन यू आस्क आजू बाजू लोगों को थोड़ा शांत होने के लिए बिकॉज यू आर परफॉर्मिंग ना
Yes.
I've added spotlight. Zoya बाबा आपके पीछे से there's a lot. हाँ, now it's fine.
Will we start? Hi friends. मेरी मम्मी खुद ही बाहर जा रही है. मेरे को इसका ही टेंशन है कि खाना पकाएगा कौन है. वैसे मेरे को खाना पकाना आता है लेकिन मैं तो लड़का हूँ. मैं कैसे पकाऊंगा? थोड़ा उसको देने का समझ लो पड़ेगा. दे देंगे ज्यादा है तो थोड़ा इसको भी दे दो. अरे अलीना तू कहाँ जा रही है? Zoya, wait 1 minute. What yaar?
Munazza Baba, you have to unmute.
Munazza, keep yourself on unmute and we will start again. Zoya,
we can start again. Mantasha, Munazza, keep yourself unmuted and then we will start again. Okay, last final time.
और आजू बाजू अगर लोग बात करें तो उनको बोल दो कि 2 मिनट परफॉर्मेंस से शांत हो जाए
क्योंकि हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं. ओके मुनज्जा बाबा 1 सेकंड 1 मिनट. मुनज्जा आपके आजू बाजू अगर बच्चा रो रहा है या कुछ कर रहा है उसको कहीं और जाके किसी और को जाके पकड़ा दो 5 मिनट के लिए.
First we will say topic Zoya and Munazza.
We will start from the very beginning. ठीक है?
Hi friend. We will
1 मिनट 1 सेकंड. सब शांत. किसी के घर से टीवी बज रहा है या फिर कोई अंकल बात कर रहे हैं?
जोया आपके घर में कोई अंकल बात कर रहे हैं क्या?
उनको बोल सकते हो 2 मिनट 2 मिनट के लिए बस, या फिर आप कहीं और चले जाओ। हाँ हाँ हाँ, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, टेक योर टाइम। आई नो यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड अ लॉट, सो
Yes,
वी
we don't
योर
want it to. हाँ. Also मुनज्जा, अगर आजू बाजू कोई भी परेशान कर रहा है ना, तो उनको बोलना कि दीदी से बात कर लो।
Mantasha, you want to introduce the topic first and then start?
Yes.
Okay.
We will start in a line.
Okay.
Munazza and Zoya, come off mute once you're ready. Come off mute.
I want to say a topic.
1 minute. Let them be ready. Munazza के भाई हट जाओ. Zoya का इंटरनेट खराब हो गया. 1 minute.
चल हटिया.
Munazza का भाई troubling her like anything.
Zoya, we can't see you, Baba.
Yes.
We can't see you, Baba Zoya. Ha, now we can see you. Now it's better. No.
Please say it.
Zoya, नहीं आ रहा बाबा, सुनाई नहीं दे रहा. हाँ.
और भी आवाजें हो रही है.
मुझे लगता है अब जहाँ पहले थे वहीं पे नेटवर्क अच्छा था, वहीं पे चले जाओ वापस. Oh, Mantasha, Munazza, we will have to wait for some time because Zoya's internet is not working. Okay, and then we will have some other team perform.
I am ready.
Okay, so Zoya is back. Where is she?
Yes.
Great. Ready? Great. Mantasha introduce and then we'll start.
Okay. We are going to drama. Girls can go to job they like.
तभी क्या करने का भैया को नहीं सुन रहा है तो अब लेके कहीं जाएगा नहीं।
हाय फ्रेंड्स, मेरी मम्मी कुछ दिनों के लिए बाहर जा रही है। मुझे इसका टेंशन है कि खाना पकाना कौन है। वैसे मेरे को खाना पकाने आता, लेकिन मैं तो लड़का हूँ, मैं कैसे पकाऊंगा? अरे अलीना, तू कहाँ जा रही है? मैं तो जॉब के लिए जा रही हूँ। वो तो लड़के लोग का काम है। लड़की लोग को बर्तन धोना, कपड़ा धोना और खाना पकाने का काम है, और कुछ नहीं है। क्यों हंस रहा है? सीरत, तेरे को पता है अलीना है ना, जॉब इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रही है। लड़की लोग का काम सिर्फ खाना पकाना, बर्तन धोना और कपड़ा धोना है, और अरे अलीना, लेकिन तू नहीं जा सकती। दुनिया क्या बोलेगी तुझे पता है क्या सीरत? लेकिन हम बार बार दुनिया से डरकर हम लड़कियों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ डरना क्यों है? हम लड़कियां भी हिम्मत वाली होती है, और ये लोग क्यों सोचते हैं कि लड़कियां को सिर्फ और सिर्फ किचन ही संभालना चाहिए? क्या हम लड़कियों को हमारी जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने का हक नहीं है? क्या हम लड़कियों को हमारा शौक पूरा करने का हक नहीं है? क्या यही बस किचन संभालो लड़कियों को, ऐसा जो सोच रहे हैं ना, उन लोग के दिमाग में से ये गंदी सोच हटाइए कि लड़की और लड़के में डिफरेंस है। सॉरी, मुझे नहीं पता था लड़की लड़का एक साथ रहते हैं। Okay, so say everyone that we can't make any difference with girls and boys. We all are equal. We all are equal.
Wow, girls, so well written, so well choreographed, such honest writing and such good acting. Very, very, very good. I am sure your friends also want to share anything. What happened? Acha, So anybody from the class who wants to say anything to this team for their performance and what they wanted to share? Preeti, share.
The performance is very nice, and it's like that they are in reality, and it makes them study mind very nice, and they can understand that the boys and girls are equal.
Yes, I agree. Thank you for sharing, Preeti. Afreen, share, and then Harsh.
Didi, I want to say they do really so nice, and also they didn't feel shy how they are do so confidently.
I agree. And I think that's because they had practiced enough number of times. I know Mantasha created Zoom links and they practiced. 3 of them came together on Zoom and practiced for this. So they have done a lot of hard work also for this performance. Harsh, share?
Teacher, that was very nice.
I agree. Yeah.
One thing that I want to do is I want to stand up and clap. Mantasha, Munazza, and Zoya, I am so proud of all 3 of you. You have written the lines. You have started with acting, such a nice acting. Also ended with a lesson when Mantasha asked Zoya to repeat what she's saying. The monologue that Mantasha made, एक साथ लाइन से सब उसने बोल दिया, वो इतना अच्छे से किया. Wow, I'm so proud. So proud.
Thank you
Very
so
happy.
much, Didi. Thank you so much, Didi, and my all friends.
Okay. I think for today we are done with all the teams. Pawan is here, but I think his team has not prepared anything. Pawan, do you have anything to show and say?
दीदी मैं टीम नहीं है तो दीदी टीम वालों को मालूम है.
English.
Also, Raj has come back. He wanted to share his story or something.
Yes, and then we will go back to Ayush and Apsari. Both of them also wanted to share their story.
Didi, my team is not come back.
And so what, Baba? Yasmin and Misbah also did not have their team, so they prepared on their own and they shared.
Didi, can I come in 1 minute?
Sure, Baba. पवन हमेशा किसी और पे डिपेंड या किसी और को ब्लेम नहीं करना है ना. आपने खुद से कितनी मेहनत की. यास्मिन ट्राइड रिकॉलिंग पुनीत अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स बट पुनीत डिड नॉट आंसर. सो यास्मिन ने बोला कि दीदी मैं अकेले ही कर लेती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे टीम मेंबर्स मुझे सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे. मिसबा सेम थिंग विद मिसबा. शी कुडंट रीच आउट टू मैथिली. सो मिसबा ने खुद अकेले प्रिपेयर कर लिया और फिर उसने बोला कि अगर बाद में कोई आके मुझे हेल्प करना चाहता है दे कैन ऑल्सो डू दैट. तो आपने भी खुद से मेहनत नहीं की ना, है ना. चलो, Raj, are you here?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, Didi.
Are you ready? You wanted to share your story or something, no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, keep your video on.
Boy can cry. Boy can cry when something her broke.
Done? Thank you, Raj, for sharing. Apsari, go ahead.
Didi, I am this story, girl and boy.
Yes.
Girl and boy is equal. And girl don't cry. Boys should cry. Girl play doll. Boy play football and cricket. And girl also play football and cricket. Girl and boys and also color pink and pink color girl. No girl pink, boy blue. No, this are wrong. Pink, blue, all color is same. Girl and boy equal.
Wow, Apsari, you had written so many things. Why didn't you share when Sunny and Harsh were also sharing? You have written so nicely. And so honestly, I love your writing. And I'm so proud of how nicely you have started writing in English, Apsari. You're no more scared to speak in English or write in English. Very well done. I wish Vaishnavi had also written and shared, but no worries. Thank you for sharing, Apsari. I really liked it. Can you also make a video of you reading or sharing your thoughts and send it to the group, or send it to Palak Didi or Freya Didi by 6 o'clock today?
Video make.
Yes, make
Yes.
a video of what you have written. Okay?
Didi, I want to share. Vaishnavi
Stay
also
Vaishnavi.
like
Yes, Vaishnavi.
I like that boy and girl do anything that they like. We not say do this because they do anything in her life. Boy won't keep her hair long, then they do. We not say no that you not do that. Can you do? Can do they like? They can do anything. Girl can do anything. The boy also do anything. Girl like doll, football, ice cream. Then boy also like ice cream. And last part is boy and girl equal. Thank you. तेरा वैसा नहीं लूंगी मैं वैसा लूंगी 50 वाला मैं 50 नहीं मतलब कवर नहीं
Vaishnavi, you wrote
इसे पकड़ने वाला
everything by yourself.
Yes, Palak.
तू कवर नहीं डाली तो वो कैसे
Sanobal, please keep yourself on mute. Vaishnavi, you wrote everything by yourself so nicely. And you spoke everything इतना confidence के साथ. Very, very happy.
Can I request you both to sit together? Vaishnavi, Apsari, sit together. Apsari, you read or you share yours first, and then Vaishnavi, you share next, and then make a video together. Can you do that, please?
Yes, Didi.
You can also do one more thing. One sentence Apsari will say, one sentence Vaishnavi will say. Practice like that. It will look very nice.
No, Sunny, we will wait for others to share and be respectful towards their efforts. Very well done, Apsari, Vaishnavi. Good job. Jay is raising hand. You want to share anything?
Yes, Didi.
Munazza, 1 minute. Munazza, say Baba.
दीदी मैं लिव कर दूं मुझे जाना है
Arbi?
Yes.
Bye bye. Thank you, Munazza,
Bye.
for coming. I'm so happy to see you participate.
Yes, I also hope to see you in other classes, math and English classes.
इतनी खुशी बाकी classes में भी आना है. Sanobar, please be on mute. Yes, Jay, quickly share, and then Ayush, and then we can leave.
On earth our life is gender stereotype that equal to all of us.
Done?
Can you please repeat?
On earth our life is gender stereotype is equal for all us.
He's saying on earth all our lives are equal, and there shouldn't be gender stereotype.
No gender stereotype. Thank you, Jay.
Jay, please record everything and send it to us. Ayush, quickly share your last one, and then we can all leave.
Didi, I have a story. The topic is we are equal. Once there lived one girl and her family. She wanted what boys can play, and she hair was small, and one day she go to school, and everyone laughing and teasing her. And once day she come house after school. She come house and say everyone, and she say to her family, everyone teasing me. And her parents give a wig to her, and she wear the wig and go to school. Then everyone laughing that only one day your hair was grow. Then her teacher see and call her, and then she go. Then her teacher say,
Then her teacher said, "Do not feel bad. It's okay. Whatever you want to become."
No.
And
Why नहीं तो no आएगा देख. Why देखा.
Ayush, have you written the story on your own?
Didi, this story I made just now.
You made just now?
Yes.
Wow, Ayush, I am really liking your story writing skills. Please keep writing more stories, and this story had a very strong message as well. Preeti, wait 1 minute, Baba. We are all going to leave in some time. Good job. Ayush, can you also make a video of this story and the previous one that you shared?
Okay.
Palak Didi, you want to say anything and wrap up?
Yeah. So, today I am feeling so proud that for the whole, so we started the project somewhere in September when we interviewed people, when we were asking elder people about certain questions, and then we learned from different people. We learned in Zoom classes from different people all over the country. Then right now we are also able to educate people around us, which means you all have become such leaders that can bring a change. Okay. And one thing that I see very common in everybody is how honestly you all were sharing, how honestly and confidently you all were sharing whatever you were feeling. It is not coming from somebody else ki didi ne aisa bola hai isliye hum kar rahe, but aapke dil se it was coming. So I am feeling very, very proud. If anybody here wants to share their feelings, anybody would want to share about how do they learn about gender stereotype, if they like it or not like it, how do they like the project, you can share. Otherwise, feel free to drop off. Priya Didi, if you want to share any closing thoughts, you can also share.
Nothing to add. Same feelings as Palak Didi. Yes, Apsari.
Priya Didi, we make the video.
Wait, Babaraj, Apsari is sharing something. Please listen to Apsari.
Didi, I make the video. Didi, I sing. First line I say, second line Vaishnavi बोलूं.
If you want, whatever, however you want to make the video, okay? आपको जैसा मन है video बनाने का आप वैसे बनाओ. Whatever you are comfortable with. ठीक है? But everyone share your videos. Mantasha, Zoya, Munazza, we have recorded your video, but still if you want to go ahead and make another video, then edit, merge, वो कर सकते हो, but not required. We have a good video for you.
Yeah.
We can all leave the Zoom call, I think, if anybody has any.
Didi, bye Priya Didi, bye.
1 minute.
Okay, Preeti and Ayush say.
Didi, you are saying something, no? To us,
Yes, Ayush and Afreen. Ayush and Afreen, Baba, please listen to the voice note and message that I shared. You have to say the same dialogues in 3 different emotions. एक गुस्से में, एक बेचारा बनके, and एक any feeling of your choice. Any emotion of your choice. Understood, Afreen? आपने दोबारा मुझे एक ही emotion भेजा है. You have to say 3 emotions. Yasmin, say.
Can I leave?
Yes, all of us can leave. Preeti, anything you want to say?
I want to say that I feel very happy after this call. This call is very nice.
Same. Likewise.